Alright, so I'm out here today. I got a muffler finally. They actually sent this, this clip-on mirror, which is freaking hilarious with diamonds in it. But yeah, it has its own hardware. Put that over there. We got the other bracket off. It's clear all the way back through here, so we're good. I'm just going to kind of figure out what the angle is and then get the bracket put on this guy, and then we'll bolt everything back up. And we'll see what it sounds like. This is for the 4-door. So, gonna get on this thing today. All right, she's installed. Yeah, the old can. So, yeah, it wasn't that bad. And then that right there, the bracket to hold it on. It's not crazy tight, but it's tight enough. Probably just get around a little bit. All right, let's see what she sounds like. Not too bad at all. You guys take it easy. Peace.